welcome back to my channel, Cekodok. Today I'm going to show you how to make fried banana balls. It's called, in Bahasa it's called Cekodok. Of course you need banana, you need coconut, but you need the grated coconut inside. So you need to cut it. So this is the coconut husk. The brown color stuff is the coconut husk, and this is the coconut root. The coconut root. Yeah. And then now this is the grated coconut. We bought it before the video. And then we got the flour. Okay, now guys, next we're gonna mash the banana. I can't wait to mash it. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh my goodness. It's very hard. I thought banana is supposed to be small, like soft when you smash it, but it turned out super hard, and I need to use 2 hands. I think this is how I'm gonna mash it.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so I already mashed the banana, so now we're adding the flour, and then we're gonna dump all in it. Let's go. Oh yeah. And then I'm gonna mix it. Okay, nah, I don't want to mix it yet. Okay, I'm gonna add all of the grated coconut in. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, okay. Hopefully I don't drop the bowl in. The grated coconut and the flour is like all mixed together. It's camouflage. It's not really that camouflage. And then we want to put a little bit of water. So I'm gonna try to get that and then slowly add the water. And I think that will do. Or maybe more. Okay, that will be enough. And then we will add salt. And we're gonna dump all in. We dump all in. And then sugar, so many sugar. And dum. I'll just use the spoon. There we go. All the salt. Don't waste salt. So we put all in there. They're stuck to the bowl. Now we shall stir. Yuck. Okay, I'll stir faster. Ooh. Ew. Okay, maybe it'll end up nice. And let's get the extra flour up there. Oh, it looks like, oh my gosh, it looks like that. Look at it. It looks like so weird. Okay, guys. So next, we already mixed everything together. It will look like that. It's so nice. Look. Okay, so now we gonna on fire. It has to be slow fire, guys. So I have to slow it down. Oopsies. That was a mistake. Slow fire will do. Okay, that's slow fire already. Now we put the, ouch, what is that on top of that? It must be salt or sugar. Okay, now now we're gonna put the oil. Okay, don't want to put too much. That's a lot of oil. Because you have to put a lot because it's called fried banana balls. Okay guys, so, well, my handy-mandy already helped me do one of this fried banana balls. Well, how you want to know when it's ready, it has to be golden brown. And how you want to know this is, is like hot, well, my handy-mandy is helping me. You will see the bubble, it will like that, okay? And then now, my handy-mandy will help me put it down, just like that. So don't touch it, just leave it there, let it become golden brown like this one, like this golden brown thing, like this one, yeah, and yeah. This is okay, now let's wait for it to be golden brown. While we wait, let's talk. So always remember to subscribe, like this video, press the bell button, and you should learn it, cook it, and try it, and tell me whether your cooking is yummy. Okay guys, so these are the golden brown colors that, oh my gosh, it smells. I can't wait to eat it. Well, okay, that's why I say this is the golden brown that I am looking at. Yeah, so golden. Oh my gosh, mosquitoes. And guys, always remember, don't do this yourself because it's a little bit dangerous. So yeah, ask your handy-mandy, your mommy, your daddy. Just don't do it yourself. Ask permission as well. Okay guys, now we're gonna try the food. It's so yummy. The sugar is enough. Very sweet and yummy. Well, guys, always remember to put slow fire, and you should try it, learn it, cook it, but you must blow it. If not, will get burned. And see you next time. Goodbye.